YouTube automation is a game changer for aspiring content creators. Imagine being able to focus on your creativity and passion without getting bogged down by the repetitive tasks that come with managing a YouTube channel. Automation allows you to streamline your workflow, making it possible to produce more content in less time. This means you can spend more time brainstorming new ideas, engaging with your audience, and refining your craft. It's about working smarter, not harder, by automating tasks to free up your time and maximize your channel's potential. Think about all the mundane tasks that eat up your day. Scheduling posts, responding to comments, tracking analytics. Automation tools can handle these for you, allowing you to focus on what truly matters. Creating engaging content that resonates with your audience. Whether you're a busy professional, a student, or simply value efficiency, automation empowers you to build a thriving YouTube presence without being chained to your computer screen. Imagine being able to juggle your studies, work, and personal life while still growing your YouTube channel. Automation makes this possible by taking care of the repetitive tasks so you can focus on your priorities. Imagine this. You wake up to find your videos gaining views, subscribers, and engagement, all while you were sleeping. This isn't a dream, it's the reality of automation. By setting up your processes correctly, you can ensure that your channel is always active, even when you're not. This constant activity helps keep your audience engaged and your channel growing. That's the beauty of automation. It works tirelessly in the background, handling the tasks that would otherwise consume your time and energy. From scheduling uploads to managing social media promotions, automation tools can do it all. This allows you to maintain a consistent online presence without the constant manual effort. By streamlining processes like video editing, uploading, and promotion, you can focus on what truly matters, creating high-quality content that resonates with your audience. Automation tools can help you edit videos faster, schedule uploads at optimal times, and even promote your content across various social media platforms. This means you can reach a wider audience without the extra effort. YouTube automation isn't about cutting corners, it's about leveraging technology to amplify your efforts. It's about using the tools available to you to enhance your productivity and effectiveness. Automation can help you analyze your audience's behavior, optimize your content strategy, and even collaborate more efficiently with other creators. It's a powerful way to take your channel to the next level. It's about building a sustainable system that allows you to consistently deliver value to your viewers while reclaiming your precious time. With automation, you can create a content calendar, schedule posts in advance, and even automate responses to common questions. This ensures that your channel remains active and engaging even when you're busy with other commitments. Ready to unlock the power of automation and embark on your journey to YouTube success? Let's dive in. With the right tools and strategies, you can transform your YouTube channel into a thriving community. So, are you ready to take the next step and make your mark in the digital world? Let's get started. One of the most appealing aspects of YouTube automation is the ability to create faceless channels. This means you don't need to be the star of your videos, offering a level of privacy and flexibility that traditional content creation often lacks. For introverts, camera-shy individuals, or those with busy schedules, faceless channels are a game changer. You can create engaging content without ever showing your face, using techniques like voiceovers, animations, screen recordings, and stock footage. Faceless channels also offer incredible scalability. Unlike channels built around a personal brand where your presence is central, faceless channels can expand with greater ease. You can collaborate with other creators, outsource tasks, and even create multiple channels in different niches, all without compromising your privacy or brand identity. In the vast sea of YouTube content, originality is your life raft. Simply rehashing what's already out there won't cut it. You need to bring something fresh, engaging, and valuable to the table to capture the attention of your target audience. Think about your passions, interests, and expertise. What unique perspective can you offer? What problems can you solve? What kind of content would you genuinely enjoy creating and sharing? Don't be afraid to experiment. Try new formats and find creative ways to present your ideas. The more unique and engaging your content, the more likely it is to be shared, recommended, and ultimately help you build a loyal following. Section 4. Video editing. Mastery from amateur to pro, video editing is the art of storytelling through visuals. It's a craft that requires both technical skills and a creative eye. The ability to weave together different clips, sounds, and effects to create a compelling narrative is what sets great editors apart. It's about transforming raw footage into a cohesive, engaging, and visually appealing narrative. This process involves not just cutting and trimming clips, but also understanding the flow of the story, the pacing, and how to evoke emotions through visual and auditory elements. While professional-grade software can seem daunting, there are plenty of user-friendly options available to help you master the basics. Programs like iMovie, Filmora, and even mobile apps like InShot can provide a great starting point for beginners. Start by familiarizing yourself with essential editing techniques like cutting, trimming, adding transitions, and layering clips. These basic skills are the building blocks of more advanced editing techniques and incorporating music and sound effects. Music can set the tone of your video, while sound effects can add depth and realism to your scenes. Learning how to balance audio levels and sync sound with visuals is crucial. These foundational skills will elevate the quality of your videos and keep your viewers engaged. As you become more comfortable with these techniques, you can start exploring more complex effects and editing styles. Experiment with different editing styles to find what best suits your content and brand. Whether it's adding text overlays, color grading, or using motion graphics, each element can enhance your video's appeal. Whether it's a fast-paced, dynamic edit for a gaming channel or a clean, minimalist approach for a tutorial, the key is to understand your audience and what they expect from your content. Tailoring your editing style to match your content's theme can make a significant difference. The key is to create a visually appealing experience that complements your message. Remember, the goal of video editing is not just to cut and paste clips together, but to tell a story that resonates with your audience. Keep practicing, keep experimenting, and most importantly, keep creating. Section 5, Keyword Research Unlocking Discoverability. Imagine you've created the most amazing video on YouTube, but nobody can find it. It's like having a hidden gem buried under a mountain of content. You know it's valuable, but without the right tools, it remains unseen. That's where keyword research comes in. It's the process of discovering the exact words and phrases your potential viewers are typing into the search bar. By understanding these keywords, you can bridge the gap between your content and your audience. Keywords are the terms and phrases people use to search for content online, and they're essential for getting your videos in front of the right audience. Think of them as the signposts that guide viewers to your content. Effective keyword research involves identifying relevant keywords in your niche. This means diving deep into the language and terminology that your target audience uses. It's not just about popular terms, but also about finding those unique phrases that resonate with your viewers. Analyzing their search volume and competition is crucial. High search volume means more people are looking for that term, but high competition means many creators are targeting it. Striking a balance between the two can give you an edge. Strategically incorporating them into your video titles, descriptions, tags, and even the video content itself is the next step. Think like your viewers. What would they type into the YouTube search bar to find your video? This mindset helps in crafting content that is both discoverable and relevant. What would they type into the YouTube search bar to find your video? This question should guide your keyword strategy. It's about getting into the mind of your audience and predicting their search behavior. By understanding how people search for information, you can tailor your content to meet their needs. This involves staying updated with search trends and continuously refining your keyword strategy. You can optimize your content to increase its visibility and attract a steady stream of organic traffic. Over time, this can lead to a significant boost in views, engagement, and ultimately the success of your YouTube channel. Remember, keyword research is not a one-time task, but an ongoing process that evolves with your audience and content.